Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy Adi Strings. So today I want to show you a simple and very easy Ariaria praise bass line. Okay, so stay tuned, pick up your bass guitar. This is strictly for beginners, okay, beginners and intermediate. Okay, so if you are an intermediate player, you can also learn this as well. Okay, and it's a very easy, very simple. Okay, so the key is F. Our key is F. Is our key. Okay, so that's our key. Okay, F. You can also play it here. This is also our key F. Okay, or you understand? Yeah, so that's our key F, and the progression of the song that was used, okay, it goes like this. So 1 4 1 5 1 4 5 1 do 5 do so do 5 so do. You see, so that is the progression. Okay, so what I did is just a particular shape, a particular pattern. Okay, and you are going to apply this, okay, to each of the main notes. Okay, it's the main notes, you understand? So let's move straight. Okay, so you see, so straight to the breakdown. Okay, so do so do so do fa do fa do fa so do so do so do re so re so re so so do so do so do fa do fa do fa re so re so re so do so do so do. So that is it. That is basically the breakdown. Okay, so which means what is really I mean useful, or what you need to know is that I just apply the higher octave and the lower octave, then in addition, you know, with the to the fifth. Okay, don't worry, don't be confused, don't be confused. Okay, so which means you apply that is on the one chord. Okay, the chord 1, or the one chord, or the do. Okay, see, so do so do so do. You see, so which means what is really the most important thing here is the octave. Okay, higher octave, lower octave. Okay, then just add the fifth to it. You see, so do so do so do fa do fa do fa. The same method. So do so do so do. Okay, so 5 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 1 4 1 4 1 4 5 1 5 1 5 1 2 5 2 5 2 5 5 1 5 1 5 1 1 4 1 4 1 4 2 5 2 5 2 5 5 1 5 1 5 1. You see, so you could use your own let me say, I don't know how you want to place your fingers. Okay, for me, what I did was just this. I used one finger. Okay, I place it on this 2 frets. You see the finger, you see, so instead of me using, you know, or striking, you know, or pressing, you know, the strings, each string with each finger, I just use one finger. Okay, I just use one finger, you know. So someone else, or a different player might just want to, you know, do this, right? So it depends on how you want to, okay, how you want to. But yeah, for me, to make it easy for me, I mean, it is also good if you also, I mean, learn it. Okay, learn how to, you know, do it. Okay, at least use your finger, use one finger to, you know, you see, one finger. Okay, so okay, it's also a good I mean, technique. If you learn it, it will also help you in different ways. Okay, so yes, you can apply this pattern. This is a basic, simple Ariaria, I mean, praise bassline. Okay, you can use this as a beginner. At least this could be your foundation if you have no idea, you know, what to play, you know, in such praise style, you know, or song. You know, just apply this, and you can just use it. It depends on the song. It depends on the song, the tempo of the song, okay, and the song, the kind of song, you know, actually. So yeah, so that's it. Okay, I think I would begin to make more of these. Okay, more of these videos. Okay, yes, more videos about, you know, Ariaria, praise bassline, and yeah, I would try to make more of them. So just stay tuned to my channel. Okay, yeah, to keep yourself updated. Okay, so I'll see you again next time.